Hi guys, I'm Daiwik. Today I am doing fireproof balloon experiment. For this experiment, we need water, 2 balloons, a candle, and a lighter, and a tray. Now, we need to put water inside of one balloon and put air of the another balloon. That was a mess. Now I blowed. This is the air balloon and this is the water balloon. And we need to put first I will put the air balloon near the fire. Whoa, that was scary. Let's see with the water balloon. Let's put the water balloon near the fire. Nothing is happening. Hey, I see black here. Because inside the water inside the balloon got water, right? And the water is absorbing the fire. It can hold the fire sometime, like 1 minute. And you guys know that water can absorb fire. Today's experiment is done. Please subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time. Bye!